Hello students, welcome back to Friendful Learning. Today our topic is about adding ing to the verbs. Let's get started. First, watch this video to familiarize yourself what are verbs and then you can proceed ahead. Try to do these actions. It's fun. Grin, stare, spin, flap, slip, jump, clap, throw, cry, and so on. What action are they doing? Can you find verb in these sentences? I was look over the edge of the cliff. I was cling on to the rock. I was play a game with my friend. I was sing my favorite song. Do these sentences sound correct? How about now? I was looking over the edge of the cliff. I was clinging on to the rock. I was playing a game with my friend. I was singing my favorite song. What did we add to the end of the verbs? Well, we added suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a word added to the end of a word. It changes the meaning of a word. Ing is a suffix that is used in many words. Running, talking, looking are all words that have the suffix ing in them. Do you know of any other words that have the suffix ing? Adding ing. Look how easy it is to add ing to these words. See plus ing is seeing. Well done. Go plus ing is going. Eat plus ing is eating. Look plus ing is looking. Say plus ing is saying. Have a go at adding ing to these words. Help plus well done, ing. The word will change to helping. Excellent. Say plus ing is saying. Well done. Meet will become meeting. Walk will become walking. Did you get them right? Well done. Now let's have a look at these. Here are some more words that end with ing. Can you guess these words? Great. Talking, pushing, pulling, jumping, playing, buying. Let's move on, adding ing to the verbs that end in an E. Words ending in E are a bit more tricky. Well, let's have a look at these words. We have a word make, and what we do here, we skip the E and to this word we add ing. So make plus ing is making. Let's take a look at one more example. Take. We have the word ending in E, and to this, what we do? We skip the E and we add ing. So take plus ing is taking. Can you see what is happening? If a word ends in an E, you must drop the E before adding ing. Have a go at adding ing to these words. Write will become well done, writing. Smile will become excellent, smiling. Come will become coming. Love will become well done, loving. Did you get them right? Well done. Here are some more words that have an E before you add ing. Can you guess these words? Well done. Drive becomes driving. Like becomes liking. Ride becomes riding. Hate becomes hating. Decide becomes deciding. And care becomes caring. Can you think of any more? Let's move on. Adding ing to the verbs that have a short vowel sound. These words have a short vowel sound in the middle. Watch what happens. Here we have a word run. The short vowel sound a is present before the consonant n. So run plus ing becomes running. N. How about this word? Shop plus ing becomes shop. I'm adding one more consonant and then ing. Can you see what is happening? If a word has a short vowel, then you must add a double letter before the ing. Have a go at adding ing to these words. Remember the short vowel sound. Shut. We have a short vowel sound for you here. So we are adding another consonant T followed by ing. Slip, slipping, win, winning. Sit, sitting. Did you get them right? Well done. Here are some more words that need a double letter before adding ing. Clap, clapping. Plan, planning. Chat, chatting. Swim, swimming. Hop, hopping. Knit, knitting. Can you think of more? Also, make a note. Here, the consonant is repeated because of the short vowel sound which is present before the consonant. So remember, most words just add ing. Words ending in e, drop the e before adding ing. Words with short vowel need a double letter before adding ing. Have a quick revision over these words to master. Thanks for being with us. I hope you enjoyed the interactive way of learning. Thanks for watching Friends for Learning and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also visit our website www.friendforlearning.com to gain access to more educational videos and resources. Thanks for watching and stay safe.